Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's AMBERSHARNIECE, and in today's video, as you guys can see, I'm showing you how I get this nice, clear, smooth, fresh, dewy skin with my new morning skincare routine. So let's go ahead and jump into the video. I am using products from MixEasy.com, and these products are absolutely amazing, you guys. They are natural and safe, and MixEasy does not use colorants, parabens, silicone, mineral oils, chemicals, sulfates, chemical substances, anything like that, you guys. They're practically vegan friendly and cruelty-free. I did go ahead and pick up 3 of their products, which one is their facial cleanser. And pretty much you guys are able to tailor these products to your liking. I also picked up their face mask. As well as some of their face cream. We're able to go in and pick out all of the ingredients that you're using for your skincare product. So I was able to pinpoint exact all of the things that I needed, and this is helping my skin become more dewy, more glowy, more moisturized. I haven't had a problem with basically dry, flaky skin, and while using these products, I found that I'm pretty much erasing that era. This is what the consistency of the face wash looks like, and I'm just going to go ahead and start washing my face and give you guys a little bit more details on the products while I'm doing so. So these face products, like they're basically, like I said, they're tailored to what you need for your skin. So I got a lot of different ingredients in there, but one that I really wanted to make sure, well, 2 that I wanted to make sure, is that they had hyaluronic acid in it, as well as some type of moisturizer. And I think these 2 products alone have caused so much improvement in my skin. So I really enjoy using these products every single morning. So this is the face cream. I did not mention the smell of the products. You get to put in there if you want to have smell or not. I chose not to have fragrance in mine. However, the other products that were inputted into my product makes it smell really good. So with the face mask, I definitely didn't want any smell to it, and it does not have a smell at all. Now, it does give you that feeling of something, not necessarily a tingling sensation, but it does feel like there's a product on your face and there's something working within it. So I really like that, and it brings back tons of moisture to my face, especially after it's been dry for a while. So I really love their face mask product. It's really good. You leave it on for about 10 minutes and then you can just wipe it off. And as you guys can see, I'm just chilling, going through my phone, looking at stuff on my timeline. So about 10 minutes, or do whatever I gotta do, and then I can just wipe it right back off. So now that I rinsed off the face mask, I'm just going to dry my skin, just going to pat it dry. And then once I pat it dry, then I'll be able to apply my actual face cream, which is like a moisturizer. This face cream is really good, you guys. Like, a little bit goes a long way. As you guys can see, like, it took me forever to rub it in, but it's really good when it comes to moisturizing my skin. As y'all can see, I go through a lot with moisturizing my skin. I also try to like lift my face, my neck. I kind of give myself a little massage here and there too. So I do the most, I know. So I did want to go ahead and mention to you guys that I do have a 15% off coupon code, and I really want you guys to go ahead and use it to get yourself some products off. All you have to do is add my code at checkout and you'll get your 15% off of your entire order. My code is AMBERSHARNIECE, and that's just my YouTube channel name. So if you guys are interested in copying some products now to get your face on track, on point, then go ahead and use this at MixEasy.com. And that's pretty much it. This is my result. My skin looks really good, and this is my morning routine, so I'm set for the day. Again, you guys, I do thank you so much for tuning into my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Go ahead and visit MixEasy.com today. And yeah, share this video, whatever you want to do. Thanks again for watching. Mwah.